And just keep on going until you run out of crack and then step down. Go ahead and give it a try. Help the person behind you.
Keep diving and talking.
Remember, everybody give each other some space.
Minecraft hardcore on hard. Well, you can't play hardcore without hard. Otherwise, yeah.
Cave bears. Ancient cave bears.
Just us.
There's a cave in Western Maryland called Bone Cave. They found a bunch of prehistoric stuff since Smithsonian.
If you guys can hold up.
Very tight space.
That's not been that, like,
Watch them going through.
that's not been that, like, arrow. That's not been like, at least I have, like, this is a casual mission video. Yes. If I get one mission
When you guys get to the next room, just hold up there, okay?
He said stop in the next room, guys.
I want to try to keep everybody together.
Do we get ahead of us?
No, that's right, you can go.
This is probably too deep for fossils.
That's a nice little hole down in here.
You've been down that?
Oh yeah, yeah.
You do this for fun?
Yeah. I can't keep up with the younger cavers anymore. So now I do this.
Sharing with some soap with a lot of you.
That's what I said. We're all trying to creep pass later.
Good. That might be the best thing for you. One of the big money.
Yeah. They go deep. Is that little? Where do the bats come in and out of? Is that little hole up front?
Yeah, there's not the one in the door. On the side of the thing, there's a couple of holes there for the bats to come in and out of. It's so that the raccoons don't get in. They just come in and poop all over the place.
I know. Is this where some of them have been broken off?
Yeah.
Bunch of jerks.
That was way back before they realized how delicate or how long it actually took them to be created. So they didn't know anything about this back then.
listen.
If you want to go shimmy, there's like a smaller ledge to the. Yeah.
If you want to step down, there's another little.
Yeah.
Almost touch oven. Brent want to make this.
No.
Well, we rock down here.
It's a little hard to see, but there's another foot ledge.
Watch this rock, it's like attacking the
Okay, guys. You guys came all past this hole here.
You guys listening?
Guys, listen up.
This is called the wishing well. Okay? It's a little tight in the very beginning. And then from there, it's a belly crawl, maybe 20 feet. But it's pretty wide. It's like 6 feet wide, but it's maybe a foot and a half high. And you can belly crawl all the way to the other side of this big rock here and stand up into a walking passage that goes all the way down there and meets up with this passage that goes all the way down there. Okay? And they meet up together. If you want to do this crawl, you can do the crawl. Okay? Just have to stay with your buddy and
I'm not doing that.
know where it is that you're going to go. And
Wait a minute, you're not going down there without somebody. Stop.
I'm sitting down.
so if you want to just take a look at it, you can take a look at it and go, not me, and come back up again. That's no problem at all. So, but I want to try to encourage you to try to do some of the stuff and see what it is that you're actually capable of doing.
Did I say you guys do it?
I want to go.
That's it.
I want to go. Go. I didn't find
Yeah,
you.
we're
I need a buddy though. Yeah, go down with Frank.
People are not gonna go that way and let them come forward.
You guys go down with Frank.
Jack and Sam are ready.
Come on, Rick.
Sure?
We're going to crawl.
Riker, if I don't see you back at the camp out,
Wait, are you ready, buddy?
yes. Which way? We're going with Frank.
Okay, you get down on your side.
He's going with Frank.
Guys, you got to listen.
Listen up, guys.
You want to be on your side, one arm in front, one arm behind you. Okay? Yeah. Doesn't have to be on your back, can be on your side. Okay? And you're going to go on your side and go in just in the beginning. You'll have a big rock right there. Let's not get into the hole. Let's take your feet out of the hole.
Going down there?
Take your feet out of the hole. Thank you very much.
Hey, bro.
And then slide on through. Give it a shot. You may have to spin a little bit and squeeze a little bit. You're going to go that rock that's right there. You're going to go around it and to the right.
You might not be down there, bro. Wait, what happened to
Good job, Riker.
You come back
You,
up.
then you don't go down
Don't die.
there.
Now, don't climb down there yet. Wait till he's gone.
Wait for his seat. Wait. Hey, so,
You're through. That's the tight part. The rest of it's easy.
He's like, his voice is like muffled.
Okay, you can go now.
that's the tight part. Oh.
His voice is like
This is
muffled.
gonna be a funny one there.
To the right,
To the right.
and then crawl.
Sam, let me go.
Just stay with your buddy. Wait for your buddy.
I'll go
Wait
behind
for
you.
me.
Johnny,
Wait for.
are you going down?
Sam, just wait.
Yeah.
I actually want to like see how far it goes.
Wait,
Oh
that's the
my
tight part you
gosh.
said?
Yeah,
What's
that's,
that?
that's
Oh,
the
you're
tight
not
part.
fitting
Yo, we can fit down there.
Guys, please, let's not. I'm having trouble hearing people. You got it. That's the tight part.
Oh, yeah. Very good. We're good, Sam.
That's the tight part. You did it.
Can I get down there?
Not yet. Wait till his feet are gone.
You gotta take a right.
Right.
Yeah.
Take a hard right.
Oh, you're good, go.
Now, that was 2 weeks ago I was down here. There was a bat hanging down in there. I don't know if he's still there or not.
I guess we'll find out.
You named him?
Nah,
Here's a bat.
just the bat.
If you name him, you get too emotionally connected with him.
That's right. Then you gotta take it to the vet, get shots, get tags, and all kinds of stuff.
I don't know if I'm feeding him. You got that, Sam?
You'll fit, no problem. That's it. That's
One arm
it.
out front, one arm
Yeah.
behind you. There
Get
you go.
down low.
On your side.
Down
On your
low.
side.
On your side, Sam.
On your side. On your side.
There you go. All the way down. That's it.
This is gonna be an interesting one.
That's it.
Bye.
This is gonna be interesting.
He's got it.
I'm doing that.
There's another way.
It's up to you.
Hey, Dad, bro.
I'm like 20 feet that way, 20 feet that way.
Very good. Okay, he's gone. Go for it.
So, what do I do?
I'm just going to eat.
Lay down on your
Don't get down
side.
into the hole until his feet are gone.
Wait, so what?
His feet are
You gotta
gone.
get him kind of sideways
No,
head
I'm
first.
talking to you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have to lay down all the way.
Oh, like that.
Your whole body on the ground.
Their problem is how tall they are.
That's
Just
it.
like
You
lay
got it.
down to go to bed.
You got it.
Okay, bro.
That's the hard part right there.
Could Blazing go next?
I'm not gonna say hard part, the tight part.
As soon as his feet are gone, then you can go.
There you go. You're next.
I don't even hear like through right anymore.
Okay, guys, stay together. When you get all the way down to the walking passage, listen, and I'll tell you, walking passage, make a left.
Oh. You said make a left when you go down there?
When you get to the walking passage.
Stay on your stomach, MJ. It's weird, just walk.
There you go.
Hold on.
Yeah.
That was another.
That's it. Yeah, you kind of have to turn around to the right.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. Just like somebody's like, whoop.
There you go.
I feel so bad for all of us.
He's through the challenge.
Where are you?
I'm over here as well.
I can see you.
Kyrie, are you going?
Yeah.
John,
The
you
last
definitely got
one.
this.
I want to see what the. He's the last one runs that way.
When he's through, can you tell me the rules of this?
You say you do want them all back?
Yes.
All back in
And he said,
the.
this is the worst part. He
Right
said,
here
once
has
you
the
get through
easiest
here,
time
it
to get
opens
through
up.
there.
That's it. You got to lay down all the way.
He's also tiny. I don't.
Lay down on your side.
Logan would be tinier. He would be able to go up to that.
Yeah, Logan would be able to just like, oh my gosh. Logan
That's
would be
it.
able to-
Have
he's tiny.
fun with that. I
Well,
genuinely
I'm
feel
skinny,
yeah,
so
Kyrie.
Got
I'm
it.
skinny. I have a better chance.
Kyrie, have fun with that.
Must be nice.
Yeah, it is.
Skinny, Logan's skinny. He is like very skinny.
Wait, so how do I do this again?
Get down there, lay down on your side. One arm forward and one arm behind you.
Okay.
Okay? Lay on your side.
Like Superman.
Oh, yeah.
That's it.
you guys.
He's almost
Just
through.
like
You're going right.
Superman.
That's right. You can hear him on the other
Yeah, I was
side.
gonna say, you can hear him on the outside, so they must be out.
Yeah. Okay, go for it.
Okay, so I go on my
I'm gonna have like
Yeah, on your side.
There you
Now I'm
go.
going. It's gonna be hardest for you.
What do I do?
There you go. Just start crawling.
Go to the right.
Sort of stay to the right.
Stay right.
There you go.
Right. Right.
Oh, right. No.
At least take a look down
That
there
was
first.
them.
Anybody else going that
Take
way?
a look. I'll take a look, guys. I'll take a look.
There he goes.
You might come back up.
Go for it.
If you committed, just go for it.
Yeah, so you might come back up. I'm not gonna
might
do it. I'm
survive.
just standing here.
I'll consider it.
I thought, are they like singing?
I've stopped considering it.
All right. Anybody else want to take a look at it?
I'll take a look.
No, I'll just like stand down there. Yeah.
looked at it. I don't want to look at it again. After you go.
I'll
Y'all are small.
I'm like-
so you can probably do it. He's doing it. Oh,
You know, there's like a tic-tac-toe thing in the mud.
I'll go after Johnny.
Yeah, I'm not doing that.
I'm just taking
I'm small when I'm small. I'm not doing that.
I'm not sure if we'll go down here.
We should have done this in
Lay on
Cub
your
Scouts
side.
because there's like kindergartners and they're small.
No, I can't do that.
They could have
No.
like, you might not even be able to
Let me
fit
see if
that
I
way.
I can try.
I'm just gonna go this one. There's like a tic-tac-toe thing right now. What was it tied?
You have fun with that, Johnny?
All right, Alex, you could definitely
They're
get
trying to attach you of a tic-tac-toe thing, and it was
that. Lay down, stretch one arm out, keep one arm behind
Do
you.
you actually do it?
No.
Oh, no.
There you go. There you go.
Everyone's doing it exactly the same.
There you go.
You got it, man.
Keep
Yeah.
going. You got it.
It's sure a challenge.
Take your time and breathe.
There we
You got
go.
it. All right, Klaus, you trying it?
No.
No?
I already looked down there.
Okay, okay.
All right, that's it?
That's it.
Okay, we are going to go,
That way.
let's get this turned off. We're going to go down this way, going to go over a rock, and then it's a stoop walk until we meet that passageway coming and they join up into a little Y.
We're not gonna meet up with them.
Everybody's gonna go to the right instead of the left.
It's gonna be like the chicken.
Anytime you want me to go first, I can do that. But sometimes the discovery is the fun part.
Ancient cave drawings.
I wouldn't be okay with them using it.
How about up this way?
That's another passageway that goes, that can go up to the front, or if you go to the other side of this passage, it goes up and then just back down again to where we're going. If you want to try it on the way back, you're welcome to. It gets a little sketchy.
We don't like sketchy.
I've had some kids in here that love sketchy. How did they do that? They climbed up there? Yeah.